Hi everyone, I'm Ali. I get a lot of requests on how to do handful hairstyles, and that's definitely on my to-do list. But today I want to show you what I do as the first step to pump up the volume of my hair, and that is using these hair inserts or hair paddings. They come in a variety of sizes, styles, and shapes. I've done a video reviewing them before, and if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you to check it out here because that covers all the most common and most popular ones on the market. But today I'm going to review some of the most unusual and weird looking ones. So let's find out which ones work and which ones don't. First, part the hair in the middle, then part each side of the hair vertically by the ear. Tie up the rest of the hair to help keep these hair paddings securely in place. We're going to place the hair inserts on the dividing line and then cover it with real hair. The first one is called croissant or crescent hair paddings in Chinese. I have reviewed the 10 cm and 15 cm versions in my last video. Let's see how the 13 cm version compares to the other ones. The inserts are bendable and densely packed with synthetic hair. As expected, it looks very natural on the hair. Out of the three lengths, I think the 10 cm one is too short for adults. The 13 cm or 15 cm ones both work perfectly on the sides. Of course, if you're using the 13 cm version, I would recommend adding something on top in the middle. This is also a fairly common hair padding. There are two lengths, and this one is the shorter one. It's pretty soft and thin. There's a little comb piece on the back for convenience, but it's not enough to secure the paddings on the hair. I would still use bobby pins to pin down both ends to make the transitions look smoother. The result is very subtle, which is a good thing. I like the natural looking result it gives. And it's soft enough to add hair accessories if needed. The only downside is the length is a tad short for my preference. This is the longer version of the previous hair padding. The width and height is exactly the same as last one. It also has a comb piece on the back. This one in comparison is a bit long. I don't think I have enough hair to completely cover the hair paddings, especially on both ends. The result, however, looks very nice, just like the previous one. So it's still a really good option out of all the ones I've tried. The next one is designed to be used in the middle, right above the bangs. The measurements don't include the comb part. Unlike the other ones, it's mostly made of nylon material. I like how it's soft and loosely packed, so it'll be easier to insert hairpins. The comb makes it surprisingly convenient to put on. I don't need to use any bobby pins and it stays in place. The result is not so great. The shape is funny looking, not as smooth as the previous ones. The set of three is also designed to lift the hair on top of the head. I've seen people selling them individually. I didn't want to get it initially because it looked really hard and also has 90-degree edges on all sides. But wow, I'm glad I gave them a try. They're firm, so they hold their shape really well. There's Velcro on the top and bottom, so they can attach to the hair without the use of any bobby pins. The smallest one is a bit short, but I think it's still okay to use. The biggest one is too curvy to be used by itself. The only way to use it on the head is by combining it with the other two sizes. What impressed me the most is the middle one. It's the perfect length and perfect shape for the sides. I have a lot of baby hair on the front, so I can just press them onto the Velcro and have them stay there. This is such a precious find, but I didn't do a good job demonstrating it. My hair is messy here and the two sides are uneven. If you have baby hairs like me, I highly recommend this one to you. Now the drawback is that the Velcro grabs hair too well, so don't try to make any adjustments. Once it's on, it's on. The last one is designed to pull back the bangs. It's wrapped by Velcro material. The little comb buckle is a unique feature and it works pretty well. This one is not the best fit on the sides because it's too small, unless you plan on filling the middle with something else. For its intended use though, it works pretty nicely. I'll probably be using it when I'm not wearing hanfu. And here is a comparison of every item I reviewed in this video, following the same order of appearance. I hope the video was helpful to you. Let me know what else you would like to learn in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to learn more about traditional Chinese culture, beauty, and fashion. See you next time.